who's worked with beautiful actresses with beautiful eyes. So when he tells you to take care of your eyes, you have to believe him, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely, and it's fantastic to be here at the Free Eye Camp, being provided by the Western India Film Producers Association and the Lions Club Millennium. It's great to be a part of a fraternity that does so much in terms of give back.
आपको कभी आँखों से कोई trouble? Did you have any problem with your eyes ever? Have you already had 6x6 vision?
नहीं, जब खूबसूरत लड़कियों को देखता हूँ तो एक आँख ऐसे चले जाती है कभी-कभी.
Otherwise normal.
Joke.
But otherwise normal चलता है ना. Yeah.
Everything's been touchwood fine. चश्मे की ज़रूरत नहीं लगी अब तक.
It's amazing that I see you. I mean, last time I met you at a cancer association. Before that, we were at Devi. You know, you are one of those humanitarians, if I can call you so, who's really worked for charity. Very few people actually. I know a lot of Bollywood tries to support all kinds of charity, but you actually taken it a step ahead. Wouldn't you say so?
It's important, yeah, because it means a lot to me, and it depends कि आपके ज़िंदगी में कितनी priority है ये. It's a major priority to me. I think as important or more important than acting is being a part of a global family, is being a humanitarian, is trying to help people and putting a smile on people's faces.
Your t-shirt reminds you, so I have to ask, are you happy with the response that you're getting for KLPD?
Yeah, I mean, the response in the north has been fantastic. I hope Bombay would have been better, but you know, there's always next time, yeah.
There's still more time, right?
Still more time.
And also about the critics. I mean, are you a little bogged down that, you know, critics go a little harsh when movies like this are fun and also...
You know, it's not fair to blame critics because sometimes when it's a fun movie, they pan it. Sometimes when it's a serious movie, they actually support it. So I've had some very serious, intense films which the critics have supported and have done business because the critics have supported it or have swayed business towards the film. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. So there's with the critics also it's a love-hate relationship. It's good.
You must be relieved, right? That finally you have a date for Jayanta Bhai's love story, and that too, if I'm right, Valentine's Day. But is that a coincidence or what is it? I mean, because it was on October and now went to February.
Yeah.
So
no, I think it's good planning because it's a love story, and if a love story comes on Valentine's Day, it's good planning. It's good marketing strategy.
So your wife is not going to kill you because you have to promote. You'll be promoting your movie on Valentine's Day and not spending the time with her.
No, more importantly, I'm going to be with my wife in Bangalore, waiting for our baby to come.
Absolutely. You know, you said that after the baby is there, you're going to go for a long honeymoon with her. And whose plan was this? Was it hers or was it yours actually?
Mine actually, and even before the baby comes tonight, I leave for a honeymoon.
Okay, great. Now before I let you go, tell us one thing. Tell our viewers how important. Why is it so important to take care of eyes? What should you do? What are the most simple things?
Your eyes are something that you take for granted. I mean, if you just try just for fun, blindfold yourself for a day. And you know, when I was doing theatre in my college days, I was trying to play a blind character. To play a blind character, I blindfolded myself, and I was roaming around for a few days, for a few hours, with myself blindfolded and tried to manage. And then I had really newfound respect for blind people who are visually impaired, and the way they manage their lives. It's really incredible.
So there you are, Vivek, telling us why it is so important for you to take care of those beautiful eyes. Go ahead and listen to his tips. Ranjit Raj with cameraman Pramod, Zoom.